Exploratins. Have fun while learning.
Early morning, kitty's up, tail's not bothering, not a hiccup. Movements flowing like a stream, stretching paws and ribbons gleam. Kitty yoga, purr-purr-meow, let's all try it, purr-purr-meow. Sitting down in perfect splits, strong and nimble little kits. Fluffy stretches out his paws, arches back, a sleepy pause. Kitty leap, then kitty flop, on the mat, a gentle drop. Kitty yoga, purr-purr-meow, let's all try it, purr-purr-meow. Sitting down in perfect splits, strong and nimble little kits. Claws are steady, tail to side. Hold your nose so it won't hide. Breathe in deeply, 1, 2, 3. Reach up high, don't bend your knees. Kitty, don't you stop or rest. Every morning do your best. You'll grow tall as any tree, strong and healthy, wild and free.
Remember to hit the subscribe button. Mwah.